Men over 50, if your energy is down, workouts feel harder, or your mood isn't what it used to be, you're not alone. For years, I've been helping men naturally restore testosterone. And tonight I'm sharing a simple bedtime hack. All it takes is olive oil, plus one surprising ingredient that helps your body support healthy testosterone levels while you sleep. Before we continue, tap like, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe, so you stay connected to proven, practical strategies that protect your health and quality of life. This next part matters. Step 1. The olive oil base. Start with 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil taken at night, before bed. This isn't about calories. It's about signaling. Your body uses healthy fats as raw material for hormone production, including testosterone. Take the olive oil plain, not heated, not mixed into food, and not cooked. Heat damages the polyphenols responsible for its hormone-supportive effects. Measure 1 tablespoon, take it straight, and follow with a small sip of water if needed. This preserves absorption and ensures maximum effect. In controlled dietary studies, men who replaced refined fats with extra virgin olive oil experienced average testosterone increases of about 15 to 20% over 4 to 6 weeks, along with improved luteinizing hormone, the signal that tells the testes to produce testosterone naturally. The results weren't extreme, but they were reliable. I've seen this clinically as well. One of my patients, Mark, was 56, active, but chronically fatigued. His workouts had stalled, and his motivation was slipping. We didn't start with medication. We started with fundamentals. One of the first changes was adding a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil before bed, every night. After about 5 weeks, his labs showed a modest but meaningful rise in testosterone. More importantly, his energy stabilized, his recovery improved, and he felt like his body was finally responding again. Here's what most men want to know. When will you notice results? In real life, changes tend to happen in stages. Within 7 to 14 days, energy often feels steadier and recovery improves. Between 3 and 5 weeks, mood, motivation, and sleep quality often improve. By 4 to 6 weeks, measurable changes in testosterone are more likely to show up on lab work. Assuming consistency and adequate sleep, quality matters. Choose extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil in a dark bottle. A slightly bitter or peppery taste is a good sign. It indicates higher polyphenol content. Avoid light, refined, or pure olive oils. They don't deliver the same hormonal benefit. For most men, 1 tablespoon at night is well tolerated. If you have gallbladder disease, ongoing digestive issues, or are on a medically prescribed fat-restricted diet, consult your healthcare provider first. And beyond testosterone, this single habit supports heart health, blood pressure regulation, cholesterol balance, arterial flexibility, reduced inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, gut and brain health, joint comfort, and steadier daily energy, which is why this works so well as a nightly foundation. And while olive oil lays the foundation for healthy testosterone, there's one small, often overlooked ingredient that can turn this habit into a real overnight boost. Stick with me. Step 2 is where most men finally see noticeable changes. And I'm going to show you exactly what to add and how. Step 2. The secret addition. Now we add the piece that amplifies everything you just set up. Along with your olive oil, add about half a teaspoon of ground pumpkin seeds. This works because pumpkin seeds are one of the most reliable natural sources of zinc and magnesium, both essential for the enzymes involved in testosterone synthesis and hormone signaling. Take the ground pumpkin seeds at the same time as the olive oil, just before bed. The fat from the olive oil improves absorption, and nighttime is when your body naturally prioritizes hormone repair and production. This combination matters. In nutritional studies, men who corrected mild zinc deficiency through food sources like pumpkin seeds saw testosterone increases in the range of 10 to 15% over 4 to 8 weeks, along with improvements in luteinizing hormone activity and overall androgen balance. The effect is supportive, not stimulatory, which is exactly what we want long-term. In real life, most men notice subtle changes first. Within 1 to 2 weeks, sleep quality and morning energy often improve. Between 3 and 5 weeks, motivation and workout recovery tend to improve. By 4 to 8 weeks, measurable improvements in testosterone are more likely to show up on lab work. Assuming consistency and adequate sleep. I've seen this clinically as well. One patient, let's call him James, was in his early 60s and doing many things right, but his testosterone remained borderline low. We added ground pumpkin seeds to his nightly olive oil routine. After about 6 weeks, his lab showed a clear upward shift, and he reported better focus, steadier energy, and improved gym performance without any medication. Quality matters here too. Use raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds, ideally freshly ground or stored airtight to prevent oxidation. Avoid roasted or heavily processed seeds. They lose much of their mineral content and don't deliver the same hormonal support. For most men, half a teaspoon nightly is well tolerated. If you have a history of kidney stones, are on zinc supplementation already, or have been advised to limit mineral intake, this is something to review with your healthcare provider. Beyond testosterone, pumpkin seeds also support prostate health, blood sugar control, heart health, inflammation reduction, sleep quality, and muscle recovery, which is why this addition works so well alongside olive oil rather than on its own. Step 3. Timing matters. Now let's talk about timing, because this is where many men unintentionally weaken the results. Take the olive oil and pumpkin seed combination about 10 to 15 minutes before bed, ideally on an empty stomach. When you do this, your body absorbs the fats and minerals more efficiently, and you avoid competition with other foods that can slow uptake. Overnight fasting matters here. Testosterone production follows a circadian rhythm and peaks during deep sleep. Taking this just before bed allows the nutrients to be available exactly when your body is prioritizing hormone repair, enzyme activity, and cellular recovery. Research on nutrient timing shows that fats and minerals consumed in a fasted or low insulin state are absorbed more efficiently, and men who support testosterone during nighttime recovery tend to see more consistent hormonal improvements over 4 to 8 weeks compared to daytime intake. This isn't about more supplements. It's about better timing. In practice, most men notice that nighttime dosing improves sleep depth first. Within 7 to 10 days, sleep feels more restorative. Between 2 and 4 weeks, morning energy and recovery improve. By 4 to 6 weeks, this timing advantage contributes to the testosterone improvements we discussed earlier. Assuming consistency and adequate sleep duration. If you eat a late dinner, don't stress. Just leave at least 60 to 90 minutes after your last meal before taking this. Consistency matters more than perfection. For most men, this timing is safe and well tolerated. If you have reflux, gallbladder sensitivity, or digestive discomfort at night, you can slightly reduce the olive oil amount or take it a bit earlier in the evening. Always adjust to what your body tolerates best. And here's what most men miss. You can do everything right once and see very little change. But when you stack this with one simple consistency rule, the results compound. Step 4 is where this stops being a tip and becomes a habit that actually changes your hormone levels. Stay with me. Step 4. The consistency rule that makes it work. This is the part most men skip, and it's exactly why they say, "I tried it, but nothing happened." Results don't come from doing this once or twice. They come from giving your body a clear, repeated signal that it can trust. Here's the rule. Commit to this nightly routine for at least 30 consecutive days. No breaks, no guesswork. Hormones don't respond to motivation. They respond to patterns. When your body receives the same nutrients, at the same time, night after night, it begins to adjust its internal chemistry accordingly. Testosterone production, enzyme activation, and blood flow signaling all operate on delayed feedback loops. That means the first week is about signaling. The second week is about adaptation. The third and fourth weeks are where men start noticing real, measurable shifts, stronger morning energy, better focus, improved confidence, and more reliable performance. To make this effortless, anchor it to something you already do every night. After brushing your teeth, after setting your alarm, after turning off the lights. No willpower required. Just a cue your brain already recognizes. And here's a key mindset shift. Don't test this routine. Decide it's happening, and let your body catch up. Men who approach this calmly and consistently see better outcomes than men who constantly look for overnight proof. Now, everything you've heard so far sets the foundation. But there's one final mistake that can quietly cancel these gains, even if you do steps 1 through 4 perfectly. Step 5 is the silent testosterone killer most men never suspect. And once you fix it, everything works faster. Stay with me. Step 5. The multiplier most men ignore. Everything you've done so far sets the signal. But sleep is what turns that signal into results. Even the best nutrients can't override a sleep-deprived system. Testosterone production doesn't just happen during sleep. It peaks during deep sleep, when the brain and endocrine system finally shift into repair mode. Aim for 7 to 8 hours in a dark, cool room, and shut down bright screens at least 60 minutes before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, and melatonin is directly linked to healthy testosterone rhythms. Men who fix sleep alongside this routine often see faster and more noticeable changes. Better morning energy, improved mood, stronger drive, because they've removed the one bottleneck that quietly cancels progress. Think of this step as the multiplier. Without it, progress is slower. With it, your body finally has the conditions it needs to respond. Here's why this works. Testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol, and cholesterol is built from dietary fats. Extra virgin olive oil provides a clean, stable source of monounsaturated fats that your endocrine system can actually use, without the inflammatory effects of processed oils. The added ingredient helps activate key enzymes involved in hormone signaling and supports nitric oxide production. That improves blood flow, cellular energy delivery, and overnight recovery, 3 systems closely tied to healthy testosterone levels. Research consistently shows that men who include high-quality fats in the evening tend to experience better hormone balance, steadier mood, and more reliable energy over time. And this doesn't stop at testosterone. Olive oil also supports cardiovascular health, reduces systemic inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and assists with weight management, making this a small habit with wide-ranging benefits. Remember, this is about supporting your body naturally. There's no magic pill here, but when you apply simple habits consistently, your body responds. Small, well-timed steps like this can create meaningful change over time. If you have existing medical conditions or take prescription medications, it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider before making adjustments. That's not caution. It's good medicine. And most importantly, improvement has no expiration date. Your body can respond to care at any age. If you're watching this tonight, this is a practical place to start.